SyndLab 2 is a powerful web app that allows you to automatically syndicate your content across 30+ networks for fast page 1 rankings for both tyour videos and niche sites. It will also allow you to use this platform as a content distribution and management platform, since you will be able to syndicate all of your content across all your networks at the push of a button. SyndLab 2.0 has just ended and is full of new features. Get the first ranking of websites and videos, all in one click. Create more than 30 social syndicates on any URL. An integrated planner to plan up to 14 days in advance. Easily export your campaigns. How does it work? Everything you need to do is described in 4 steps. Step 1. Decide whether to rank or syndicate your video, blog, or site. Step 2. Select all the sites from which you want to syndicate your content. It allows you to syndicate up to 30+ different social networking sites. Step 3. Choose whether you want to start immediate syndication or just schedule it for a future date in the future. Step 4. Now sit back and relax while SyndLab syndicates your sites and content. This will also automatically drive visitors to your website, increasing your Google ranking, which will lead to more sales. So what's new in SyndLab 2.0? That's what brings us to our 2.0 version. SyndLab is now new and improved with a powerful syndication engine that's unmatched on the marketplace to deliver you faster syndications of your content, faster rankings of your websites and videos, and ultimately faster results, more traffic and more profit. Upgrade details completely revamped their syndication engine to deliver faster syndications and faster results after processing over 500,000 syndications, upped their syndication integrations from 21 sites to 30 sites, increased to 51 sites for Auto1. Added RSS feeds of your campaigns to allow for even further syndication and indexing. Added campaign cloning to make it faster and easier to get even more content syndicated. Added Facebook photo and video syndication. Integrated with the one photo sharing site, Instagram. Added the ability to export campaign reports in just one click, and much more. They have literally a list of about 25 upgrades they have made for 2.0, although cards have been played close to the chest and only a handful have been released so far. So what does this mean for you? Quickly and easily syndicate their videos and/or niche sites across all their networks. Be able to get fast page 1 rankings through the power of social syndication backlinks. Be able to have their blog posts go viral by syndicating their content on all social platforms. Be able to post instantly or schedule posts for the future. And much more. Can't reveal it all just yet. Should you buy SyndLab 2.0? Being a user myself with all the upgrades and have found some very effective ways using it. I have used many other content distribution softwares in the past, and what sets SyndLab 2 apart from others is the flexibility, the ease of use, the sites that the content is syndicated to, and the results. Gone are the days when you can just blast content out to any old unrelated site to get back links. At least with SyndLab 2 you can control the type of websites you post to, and even import expired sites with high PA and ranking factors.